All right, class. Once you are in the classroom, I will teach you how to access a question to answer. So above our picture here, we'll need to click on classwork. It's the second one over, classwork. Click on that and you will see Chapter 3 Science Insects. So we will click on the question mark and read question. What are the three body parts of an insect? Okay, there'll be a place for you to type. It'll look different than my screen. You'll need to type a short answer. Let me know the three different parts of an insect. I will see your answers then on my computer. Check them. All right, let me go ahead. Next, we will learn how to access videos. Thank you.